Hi, middle schoolers. This is Miss Swanson speaking, and I am so excited to be introducing ASM's middle school virtual assemblies. Each virtual assembly will take place every Wednesday starting at 9 in the morning and can be enjoyed from the comforts of your very own home. Of course, you don't have to log on at exactly 9 in the morning, nor will you need to log on to a meetup or Zoom group. All you need to do is simply listen to an announcement brought to you by your house leaders in regards to teacher announcements, student announcements, and a Minute to Win It challenge. That's right, we are bringing back the house challenges since the virtual jamboree was such a success. Today's Minute to Win It is courtesy of myself, Miss Swanson. Each week, one of your house leaders will introduce a new challenge that you can take part in. If you would like to win points for your house, please check out the challenge document on Google Classroom today for instructions on how to participate. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. And once again, please refer to the challenge document. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me at maryswanson@asmadrid.es. Have a great day.